From the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, this is your morning hazardous weather briefing for Wednesday, March 13th of 2013. Well, to summarize the hazardous weather over the next several days, we're looking for a couple of things. Some accumulating snowfall with some possible bursts of heavier snow, and that's going to be through mid this morning. And that's going to be mainly for northwest lower Michigan, mainly along and west of US 131. The impacts, of course, snow-covered and slick roads, and also brief periods of poor visibility are possible. And then another round of accumulating snow is expected for Friday and Friday night, and that's going to be across all of northern Michigan, but we're really going to focus on northern lower Michigan as trends are pointing more towards northern lower. And of course, again, snow-covered and slick roads will be the impacts. Taking a look at the current weather map, we do have some low pressure off to our northeast with a cold front that has slipped through all of northern Michigan. We do still have some light snow showers that are supposed to pick up in intensity across the Grand Traverse Bay region, or generally all areas in between Manistee and Gaylord as we go through the daylight hours. In the meantime, we had high pressure from central Canada down into the central part of the United States. And then as we look ahead for tomorrow morning, that low pressure will be well off to our northeast. In the meantime, we'll have that high pressure settling right over the western Great Lakes. Now, we are going to be keeping our eye on an area of low pressure, an Alberta Clipper, that will be moving down through the Dakotas. And this particular low pressure will work its way around the southern part of the Great Lakes region, with high pressure building in back behind it. And then jumping ahead all the way to Tuesday morning, we have a potential stronger storm system that is set to arrive for mainly Monday night, with some snow lingering into Tuesday. So now the details for the next several days. For today, we're just going to have some clouds and that lake effect snow showers, mainly affecting US 131 in between Manistee and Gaylord. Some of those snow showers, again, could be briefly heavy, resulting in some poor visibilities and accumulating snowfall. But then we get drier air moving in throughout the rest of the day, with some afternoon sunshine possible for all areas of northern Michigan. High temperatures today will generally be in the middle to upper 20s across the region. And that dry air will remain around tonight with some clear skies out there, leading to a decent Thursday as the high pressure settles in. Temperatures in the upper 20s to the middle 30s. And then for Friday, and this is mainly going to be for Friday night, we have some accumulating snowfall likely, with temperatures ranging between 28 and even 40 degrees for some spots. Saturday, a decent day with colder temperatures down in the 20s and low 30s. Similar temperatures on Sunday as clouds start to move back in over the region ahead of that potentially stronger storm system for Monday. And we are watching this particular storm, but the details are certainly not clear at this point. Temperatures in the middle 20s to middle 30s. Now to recap the hazards, again, the accumulating snow through this morning and more accumulating snow for Friday and Friday night. So watch for snow and slick-covered roads. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.